إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أما بعد فإن خير الحديث كتاب الله وخير الهدي هدي محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وشر الأمور محدثاتها وكل محدثة بدعة وكل بدعة ضلالة وكل ضلالة في النار. أما بعد, O Muslims, remember your purpose in this life and why Allah created you. Allah said, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ, and I have not created the jinn and mankind except to worship me. So He did not leave us without a purpose, solely to enjoy our souls without being tested. Allah said, أَحَسِبَ النَّاسُ أَن يُتْرَكُوا أَن يَقُولُوا آمَنَّا وَهُمْ لَا يُفْتَنُونَ وَلَقَدْ فَتَنَّا الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِمْ فَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ صَدَقُوا وَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ الْكَاذِبِينَ. Do the people think that they will be left to say that we believe and that they will not be tested? We have surely tested those before them, so Allah will surely know those who are truthful in their claim that they believe and who is lying. So ibadallah, remember your purpose in this life and do not be distracted by your money, clothes and other worldly possessions. And prepare yourselves for the day of judgment, the day in which a man will flee from his very own brother. Prepare yourselves for the horrors of this day by performing righteous actions and avoiding that which Allah has prohibited us from doing. And do not be distracted by worldly affairs by making them your main interest, such that they fill up most of your time. Ibadallah, slaves of Allah, inspect yourselves, and if you find that you are spending most of your time in leisure activity, and pay attention to this, O slaves of Allah. Imagine going through all this pain and agony just because you wanted to follow your desires and not obey Allah. Ibadallah, if you think that your struggles are great, then pay attention to this hadith, where the Prophet ﷺ said, يُؤْتَى بِأَنْعَمِ أَهْلِ الدُّنْيَا مِنْ أَهْلِ النَّارِ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ فَيُصْبَغْ فِي النَّارِ صَبْغًا. The person who enjoyed his life the most on the day of judgment will be brought, will be dipped into the fire once. ثُمَّ يُقَالْ يَا ابْنَ آدَمَ هَلْ رَأَيْتَ خَيْرًا قَطْ. Then it will be said to him, did you experience any good in your life? And he will say, فَيَقُولْ لَا وَاللَّهِ يَا رَبِّ. He will say, no, wallahi, I didn't experience any good in my life. وَيُؤْتَى بِأَشَدِّ النَّاسِ بُؤْسًا فِي الدُّنْيَا مِنْ أَهْلِ الْجَنَّةِ فَيُصْبَغْ صَبْغَةً فِي الْجَنَّةِ. And then the person who lived the most difficult life will be brought and he will be dipped into Jannah once. فَيُقَالُ لَهُ يَا ابْنَ آدَمَ هَلْ رَأَيْتَ بُؤْسًا قَطْ. And then it will be said to him, O son of Adam, did you ever experience any pain in your life? هَلْ مَرَّ بِكَ شِدَّةً. Did any hardship come across you? فَيَقُولُ لَا وَاللَّهِ مَا مَرَّ بِي بُؤْسٍ. So you will say, no, wallahi, I didn't experience any pain. وَلَا رَأَيْتُ شِدَّةً قَطْ. And I didn't experience any hardship. So whenever you complain about your hardships, think about how this person will forget about all his hardships even though he lived the most difficult life. And when you want to do something haram, think about how the second person will forget about all the luxuries he enjoyed in his life after being dipped in Jahannam only once, although he lived the most luxurious life. So seek guidance from Allah, slaves of Allah, for indeed guidance is only from Him. And the Prophet ﷺ said that Allah said, كُلُّكُمْ ضَالٌ إِلَّا مَنْ هَدَيْتُهُ فَاسْتَهْدُونِي. All of you are misguided except whom I have guided. So seek guidance from me. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.